Good day, everyone. I am Shiella Castro from BSTM 1103. And today I will discuss you how to eliminate or control the hazard and risk in the workplace. So, let's go!
First, what is hazard? Hazard is anything that can cause harm. Example, chemical, electricity, ladders, and etc. While risk is how great the chance that someone will be harmed by the hazard. Hazard are an inherent component of the workplace whether we recognize them or not. And therefore, hazard we are normally recognize the vibration, excessive noise, unguarded, and machinery. But there are many kinds of hazard that we don't usually recognize, like chemical hazard. It is adverse health effects such as poisoning, breathing problems, skin and allergic reaction, and etc. Next is ergonomic. It is like lifting, reaching, stretching, pushing, twisting, and etc. that can cause poor posture, improper and awkward movements. Next is the noise, flying object, manual handling, but we can minimize control hazard and risk with an effectiveness recognition, evaluation of risk, and control. In order to control workplace hazard and eliminate or reduce the risk, you should take the following steps. First is identify the hazard by carrying out workplace risk assessment. Second is determine how employees might be at risk. Next is evaluate the risk, and the last is record and review hazard at least annually or earlier if something changes. Hierarchy of hazard control is a system used in industry to minimize or eliminate exposure to hazard. It is a widely accepted system promoted by numerous safety organizations. This concept is taught to managers in industry to be promoted as a standard practice in the workplace. So the hazard controls is the elimination. It removes the cause of the danger completely. The next is substitution. Replace the hazardous work practice or machine with an alternative. Next is engineering controls, physical changes, redesign machines. Next is administrative control. It is install sign and etc. Next is PPE. It's provide gloves and earplugs.
And in today's equation, health risk, also one of the biggest risk components that in hospitality industry should also recognize and control. The COVID-19 affect every aspect of the society. There are also some of society control to reduce risk from COVID-19.
Wash your hands. Cover a cough or sneeze. Don't touch. Keep your distance. Stay at home and get help.